What?
I can't get it down the toilet. Are you filming me?
No.
Yes, you are.
You gotta stick your hand out of the
I
toilet.
ain't sticking my hand in there. My turd's gonna hit my arm.
Just stick your hand in there. You got a glove on. Let me see the glove.
It smells worse than it did
It's your
before I
poop.
flushed it. It doesn't stink like poop.
What's the stink
I
like?
don't know. I flushed it and it came back all hazy. I'm doing.
You don't want me to do
I
it.
do now.
So you want me to get over there?
Yeah.
You want me to see your turd?
Don't laugh at my turd.
I'm gonna laugh at him.
They're gonna feel bad.
Why? You gotta stick your hand in there and shove that thing.
It don't smell like poop.
What does it smell like?
I don't know. Don't get out. Go to the
That's not working. You gotta shove it in there.
It won't go anywhere.
You gotta get your hand.
You're just telling me to put
No.
my hand in the toilet.
You gotta get your hand all the way down in the bottom, like towards where the hole is. Huh?
Up my turd. They're floating around. Ugh.
Do you want me to do it or not? Alright, I'll go do it.